Dear Heavenly Father, I come before you today with a heart that is heavy and weary. I come to you because I know that you are the only one who can truly heal me. You are the great physician, the one who sees every wound and every scar that I carry deep within my soul. Lord, I need your gentle mercy to wash over me and bring wholeness to every broken piece of my heart. Father, I thank you for your unfailing love that never gives up on me. Even when I feel lost and alone, you are there. Even when my heart aches with pain that I cannot put into words, you understand every tear that falls from my eyes. I praise you because you are a God who draws near to the brokenhearted. Your word tells us in Psalm 34 verse 18, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit." I hold on to this promise today, knowing that you are closer to me now than ever before. Lord, I lift up my broken heart to you. You know the hurts that I have experienced. You know the disappointments, the betrayals, and the losses that have left deep wounds within me. Some of these wounds are fresh, and some have been with me for many years. But I believe that your healing power knows no limits. I believe that you can reach into the deepest parts of my soul and bring restoration where there has been destruction. God, mend my broken heart with your gentle mercy. Take every shattered piece and put it back together in a way that only you can. I do not want to carry this pain anymore. I do not want bitterness or resentment to take root in my heart. Instead, I ask you to fill me with your peace and your love. Help me to release the hurts of the past and to embrace the hope that you offer for my future. Father, I pray for wholeness in every area of my life. Heal my mind from the anxious thoughts that keep me awake at night. Heal my emotions from the sadness and grief that sometimes feel overwhelming. Heal my spirit from the weariness that makes it hard to keep going. I know that true wholeness can only come from you, and I surrender every part of myself into your loving hands. Lord, I also pray for those around me who are hurting. I pray for my family members who carry their own burdens and broken hearts. I pray for my friends who are going through difficult seasons. I pray for anyone watching this prayer who feels alone in their pain. Let your gentle mercy reach them today. Let them know that they are not forgotten and that you see every struggle they face. Your word in Jeremiah 30, verse 17 says, "But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord." I claim this promise over my life and over the lives of those I love. I believe that you are faithful to your word and that healing is coming. Even when I cannot see it with my eyes, I trust that you are working behind the scenes, bringing restoration and renewal. God, help me to be patient as I wait for your healing to unfold. Help me to trust in your timing, even when I want everything to be fixed right now. Teach me to rest in your presence and to find comfort in knowing that you are in control. I know that healing is a journey, and I am willing to walk this journey with you by my side. Father, I ask you to replace my sorrow with joy, replace my mourning with dancing, replace my despair with hope. Fill the empty places in my heart with your overwhelming love. Let me experience the fullness of life that you have promised to those who trust in you. I do not want to just survive. I want to thrive in the purpose and plan that you have for me. Lord, thank you for hearing my prayer today. Thank you for being a God who cares about every detail of my life. Thank you for your patience with me and for never turning away when I come to you with my needs. I am grateful that I can bring my broken heart to you and know that you will handle it with tenderness and care. I choose today to place my trust in you completely. I choose to believe that better days are ahead. I choose to hold on to faith even when my circumstances seem difficult. You are my healer, my restorer, and my source of strength. With you, I know that I can overcome anything that comes my way. As I go forward from this moment, let your peace guard my heart and mind. Let your presence be a constant reminder that I am never alone. Let your love be the foundation upon which I rebuild my life. I give you all the glory for the healing that is taking place within me, even now. _end. Thank you for watching this prayer. If these words have touched your heart, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more daily prayers. Share this with someone who needs healing and wholeness today. May God bless you abundantly.